Hey, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're going to be checking out the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset. This is Sony's latest gaming headset for the PlayStation 5 range. Well, yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching Let's Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So if you were one of the few lucky people who actually got a PlayStation 5 when it got launched, even for Christmas, well, you'll probably be looking for a new gaming headset. And of course, Sony did release the Pulse 3D gaming headset alongside the PlayStation 5, and that was even harder to get. I only got mine now, but yeah, let's just check it out. So this is the box itself. We've got the PlayStation logo here. As you can see, Pulse 3D wireless headset. Of course, it works with PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, so there's no issue with that, but of course it will work on the PlayStation VR, and of course it will work on mobile devices, tablets and stuff like that. Of course it will work on Xbox as well. So let's see what we have on the box itself. So you can see fine-tuned for 3D audios on the PlayStation 5 console. So you got some specs details what we got included. On the back you can see we've got that dual hidden microphone. We've got a built-in rechargeable battery, so you get up to 12 hours of use, which is really great. Of course, you got easy access control, and of course it comes with a 3.5mm jack. Of course, if you want to go old school, you can do that. That's a really nice touch of them to include that. We've got refined ear cups or ear pads, so we'll see how well that works. And of course, you have that little wireless dongle to connect it up. On this side, as you can see, we can see it works with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 and PlayStation VR, which is really nice, and it only retails for $150, so it is on the expensive side. I know you can pick up the PlayStation Gold headset for much cheaper, or even some third-party headset like the Logitech maybe has just a huge range, but for $150, let's see what this comes with. Take it out, well, in this mode here, so let's just take the first, it's a little nice bucket. Of course, we have the headphone itself, so let's just pull that out, put that to the side. So inside itself, you've got the headphones, you've got some paper documentaries, so this is upside down, and we've got a little box here with some cables. We'll see what we get included in that. But first, we've got these paper documents, quick side, of course. Shouldn't be that complicated to set up a headset, but I'll go through that anyway, so we don't need to read through that. Let's see what we get included in this little box here. So first of all, we've got a Type A to Type C charging cable. It would have been nice if they had a C to C, because the PlayStation 5 does have a C port, so it would have been really nice, but it's still a good cable. And then you have your little aux cable here. Very simple aux cable here. As you can see, 3.5mm to 3.5. This one doesn't seem to have any controls here, but the headset itself does have all the controls. And then we've got the dongle to connect it up wirelessly, so this will just plug onto the back of the PlayStation and you should be good to go. Let's have a look at the headphone itself. Like, just looking at it, it is really nice. Like, that is something really nice. It's just really, I don't know, it's elegant. Like, it features the same PlayStation 5 design, the color scheme and just how everything is, the curves, everything is really nice, and Sony did a really good job of that, just keeping that across the whole range, from the controller to the remote to the camera. It's just really nice, and with the headphone, it looks really nice as well. Of course, you've got some padding here for your head, so it's really nice. You can see it moves up and down, so you should get a really good fit there. We'll try that as well. The ear cushion themselves looks really good, I have to say. Yeah, it actually feels really good, I have to say. Let's have a look at the controls. So on one side, you can see this is the right side. There's no controls, anything. On the left side, we've got all the controls. On the first one, we've got our chat and game volume. So if you want to change between your gap, so if you want to increase your game audio, or if you want to have chat more important, so you can change between that. You can lower the game volume and increase your chat volume, or you can do the opposite, which is really nice. So below that, we've got a monitor off switch, so that's just a toggle that goes up and down. We've got a volume rocker. As you can see, the plus side actually has little dot, so you know that's your plus and that's your minus, which is nice. You do have a mute switch here, it just pops in and out, and of course when it's out you do get that little orange detailing, which is hard to see. Would have been nice to have like LED light to indicate it, but of course with the PlayStation 5 you can actually see on the controller if your mic is off or on, which is really amazing. So the controller will actually have a little orange indicating light to let you know your mic is off. So that's, I'm not going to complain there. So it doesn't matter if the headphone has it or not, the controller will let you know, so that's good. Of course you have your type C for charging, and of course you have your aux cable there, and of course you have your power switch here to power it on and off. You see we do have an indicating LED light there to let you know it's trying to pair for something. You can't find anything, but we'll just turn that off. Of course we have the PlayStation logos there, but nothing much branding here, no Sony branding, anything like that. But let me try and put this on. Okay, that is really lightweight. So that's in my head now. Actually feels good. I like this top design here. It's really light, like it doesn't feel heavy on my head or anything like that. So of course this is me wearing it. As you can see we've got the nice design and everything. Controls are here, so you have to use your left hand to control the things. Seems fine. Volume controls, volume there, I can feel it. So yeah, we have to connect this up and see how well it works, give some sound test. But I have to say, it looks really nice, I have to say. So here I've actually got the PlayStation Gold headset. This is the limited edition one, but of course you can get the standard black one as well. But design wise, you can see that's a huge difference here. Of course, price point, you're only paying $30 more. But I have to say, the 3D, they just feels much better. Like they look in that price point more expensive, and it's elegant, I have to say here. Design, the flows, how everything is. But this one just looks standard. But of course these headphones are really good. Like I've been using them for a long time now and they're just amazing. You got all your controls and everything there, so I'm not going to complain here. Yes, the control layout is different, so it would have been nice if Sony kept the same control design, so if you're used to the buttons where they are. But here they've changed it up, like you got your volume on one side and then you have your audio chat on the other side. Well, on this one they're both next to each other, so yeah, it's going to be a bit difficult, but hopefully I should get used to them over time. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug it in, play some games, try the mic out, see how well everything works, and I'll get back to you and let me know what I think about it.
Hostile maneuvering. Mover. Sight. Loadout drop headed your way. Get up and back on task.
So I've just spent some time playing some Call of Duty, tried some watching some YouTube on my phone, watching Disney Plus on the PlayStation, and to get a feel of the audio quality when watching a movie. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with it. First of all, for the gaming, the headphones sound really amazing. You're getting great details and sound quality from your mids to your vocals, explosion, gunshots, footsteps. It's just amazing. Like, it's just so much you can hear. Like, I have to say, it makes a huge difference comparing to like $50 headset. But when I'm comparing to the PlayStation Gold, the margin is very tiny, but it feels premium. Like the design wise, I have to say it's much better here, but in sound quality it does a really good job as well. Like it feels good, and the controls are amazing. Like I can quickly switch between game chat, audio chat, and the mute switch works really fine. When I click it, I can see on the controller, as you can see, it just looks really well. So you know if you're muted or not muted, because I've had players when I'm playing with my friends, they'd be like, oh, I didn't know my mic was muted, because they don't have any way to notice it's muted or not. But with this, you can see it on the controller, which is really nice. Controls are good, easy to use, and good reach as well, so that was really good. So I've tried this on movies as well. So I watched some Star Wars on Disney Plus, and I have to say it was really good. You got a really good range of sounds here, from your vocals, your mids, your bass, everything was there. It was really nice. The vocal was really crisp. Like it was so nice to watch it. Like you have to experience these headphones. They are really good. Like I'm really impressed with them. And mic quality, if you're having a chat with your friends, it's really good. I'll do that now. I'll show you a mic test. I've got it connected to my phone, and I'm going to do a mic test so you can hear the difference. It's really good. So right now I'm talking directly into the camera mic, which is here. So let me switch now. So right now I'm talking into the Sony headphones. So this is the quality your mates are going to hear when you're playing with them. The mic quality, this is how they're going to sound, and I have to say it is really good. Like I don't have any issues. I'm picking up background noises. It does a really good job of just picking up your voice, and my teammate was able to hear me clearly without any issue. Didn't have any issue. No sound leakage, no echoing, no flickering, nothing. They were just really impressed with it. So yeah, it was good. Like the sound quality was good on the mic. But yeah, let's change back. So that I have to say that quality is good. Like I've listened to myself and I'm really impressed with it. The mic works really decent. So in gameplays they will be able to hear you really well. And with these headsets, like you can change your volume, like how much input you get from your audio chat to your game chat is really good as well. So you get the best feeling. Like in some places when you're just soloing, you want to have that game chat more. The game volume, you can do that. And in case when you're playing with friends, you want to increase chat, you can do that. And in some situations, I actually keep changing it up and down. When I go into combat, I want to make sure I get all of the footsteps so I don't mess up. So that's really good. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with them. Okay, I've used a ton of gaming headsets. If you watch so many of my previous videos and have been on my channel for a long time, you know I have reviewed a ton of gaming headsets. And I have to say, for the price point, these headphones do an amazing job. Like I'm impressed with them. Just on the sound quality, the build quality, and just the way they look. I'm really happy with it. And at price point of 150, they are on the expensive side. Like it's really hard for me to recommend these, but I do love them. Like I am impressed with them. Of course, if I would have recommended a headset, I would probably go for the Sony Gold Standard. They do nearly the same as this, and it's on a cheaper budget. If not, you can always go for the Naboo. I just tried the N16, they're really amazing as well, and I love them as well. For that price point, they do an amazing job. But if you just want to get that PlayStation 5 headset and you don't care about the money, then these headsets actually does a really amazing job here. You can't go wrong here. Build quality, the comfort is just, I don't know how to say, the ear cups, everything feels so nice in the ears, and it feels so light. Where like for hours of gaming, like I do 4 to 5 hours when I do proper gaming, and I have no issue with the headset. It does not hurt my head. I don't feel any pain. They feel really comfortable, and I love these headsets. Like I have to say, these are really good. Like I have to say, I'm really impressed with them. Like I don't know, like it's really difficult to review a headset. Like for you guys, you won't be able to hear the sound quality, so it's really difficult. But I have to say, they do a really good job. They are really amazing. Build quality is good here. I'm not going to complain here with the build quality at all. But for the price, I do think they're a bit on the expensive side. If you are on a budget, go for something else. Like don't try and spend that extra $30-50 on getting these. Like I wouldn't be that recommending these. So do go for the Sony Gold Standard, even the Logitech G443. They're amazing as well. If you're on an even cheaper budget, do check out the Naboo line. They are actually really good, and they're on the budget side. For some of them you can even pick up for $25, and they sound decent, usable. If you're not a hardcore gamer, you know these budget headphones do the job. Like for your casual gaming, these are good. But if you're a hardcore gamer, of course you do want to spend that extra money getting these extra features. sound control, mute controls and stuff like that. But if you're just a casual gamer, this headphone, it's way above the budget line for that. These are more for high-end gamers who want a lot of control, a lot of audio adjustments. So for those, these headphones is really good. But if you're on a budget, do check out the new Blue lines. I'll leave those links in the description. But as always, I'm happy with them. If you do want to check it out, the links will be in the description as always. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to review any other gaming headset. Let me know and I'll try to see if I can get my hands on this. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.